Hi guys, I'm back with another video. I told you guys we're gonna do a makeup video and I delivered. These are my brows. I'm gonna give you the same technique that I use to get nice, sleek, everyday brows. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll be back.
I know you love fucking me. I can tell by the way you love me. You can get it from me.
Alright, hi guys, I'm back again. This video is gonna be all about brows, right? We're gonna do a nice, quick, light routine. This is going to be an everyday brow look, nothing too crazy. To get you started, alright, so for my brows, I don't use brow wax or brow gel or anything like that. I use Style Factor Edge Booster. And then you could get a spoolie or an edge brush or a comb or anything that has like a fine, so you can like go like this, you know? You're gonna take some of the edge control and you're gonna go on your brow like this. Gonna go on your other brow. You're gonna go like this. So you're gonna go in with the brush side just to try and get those hairs up a little bit and separated from each other. Up and separated from each other. And then you're gonna take your comb or spoolie or anything just to go through it one more time. Same thing to the other side. And then once you comb it out, I'm gonna turn the light real fast just so you can see it, because sometimes with the light you can't. So you see how that looks? So I'm just gonna go ahead and brush up. You want to get those hairs separated again. It's going to give it a nice feathered natural look. Alright, so we're done with that. So I'm not filling in my brows. If you guys want a brow video with me filling in my brows, let me know. But today, that's not what I'm doing. It's just very simple with simple products to give you a look that you don't even have to do makeup for. You can just get up and go and it looks like yours, but it's a little bit enhanced. So I like my brow stick, so we're keeping it like that. I'm gonna turn the light. So now I'm gonna get my concealer and my e.l.f. brush. As you can see with this brush, it's nice and flat. It could be bigger, but you want something that's gonna give you precision so that when you go like this, it could give you a nice finished look. Okay, if you don't have a brush, that's okay. You can use the end of your wand, and I would say like go like this a lot and tap it on a napkin. Getting my concealer, this is the Tarte Creaseless concealer in color light medium, 25H. Y'all, I gotta get my brows done because my boyfriend about to pick me up so I can go take photos. He's so supportive. Listen, if you know you're gonna mess with your clothes, please wear something that you're not wearing out right now. So I'm gonna take that concealer and I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand, right? So now you see the concealer's on the back of my hand and I have my brush. And I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna dab it on both sides. I like to start off small so that I don't use too much. And if I need to add more in the back of my hand, I will get better. So I'm gonna take this and take it and I'm gonna go under and I'm just gonna outline my brow. Listen, y'all, I'm gonna get a camera soon, okay? I have one, but I use it to take photos of like nature. And you see I'm just outlining just like that. Nothing too crazy, not a lot. Boom. So then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the same thing for the top. And I'm gonna go and I'm gonna outline it. Boom. See that? Start a little bit further from the brow, and then you can move into like correct it, because you don't want to get it too small. If you don't want it that small, you want to start off with a little bit more room so you have a wiggle space. All right, that's it. With my concealer, put on the back of my hand, double tap, and go in on the other side. So as you can see, I'm going like that. And I'm just outlining. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the top. Gonna outline. Like that. And then take the flat side so I can angle it a little bit better and bring it close to home. Right? So now I'm just gonna go back in for the other side. I'm just gonna get in those spaces that I didn't get before. Right? Okay. So now what we're gonna do before we start blending, we're gonna take our finger and we're gonna wipe. Right? Take your finger and just wipe. If you want, you can use a Q-tip if you don't want to use your finger, but I want to just use my finger because I still want to leave some. So that's why I start with my finger, and if I need to go back in and keep wiping, like you see now, I will. I'm just gonna wipe. Now I'm gonna blend. So now I'm gonna take my Real Techniques 300 brush that looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. And if I need to go back in again to remove some more, I will. So now you see I'm blending this out. So I'm really like going to the edge from the eyebrow and blending it out so it gets like a seamless look, so you don't see like the harsh line of the concealer. Now right here, I like right here to be a little bit more defined, so I'm being gentle. And then the rest, I'm gonna just wipe down. Swipe down. I want my end to be defined, so you're gonna go lightly. You're not necessarily gonna go like this like I was going before. You're gonna go lightly down. Lightly down. Right? And then you're gonna do the same thing for the other side. You're gonna go like that, blend it out, and then you're gonna reach here, and you're gonna go lightly down. You're gonna go there, and you're gonna go lightly down. And you see I'm going like this, because I'm trying to blend out that harsh line without getting in the brow like I did above. Alright, and then I'm just gonna go like this down the middle, and then you see there's a harsh line there, so I'm gonna go in, grab it, bring it out, grab it, bring it out, grab it, bring it out. And now I'm gonna go in with my finger and rub that out a little bit more. Now I'm gonna go in with my elf brush. That's like a smaller version to this Real Techniques 300 brush. It's like rounded, and that's gonna give me an even more precise blend now. So you see I'm just going in and blending it out, going in and blending it out. Now you can see this one got a harsh line, but it's okay. I'm gonna get that removed. All right, so now that that's done, I'm gonna take my beauty blender. It's wet, and if you don't have a beauty blender and you have a foundation brush, you can go ahead and use your foundation brush as well. So I'm gonna just use these just so I can blend it out and get it like a natural look. That excess that's just sitting around on the skin that I blended out is just gonna soak that up and blend that out. So now that I'm finished, you want to go ahead and comb the brows back into place, right? And that's gonna finish it all off. So you're gonna go like that, and you're just gonna comb it. And you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. So you can see it's a little bit more defined. And you can go in and adjust to your liking. Continue repeating the steps until you get the look that you like. All right, so as you can see, it's a very natural look. It's very similar to your brows, but it just gives it an enhanced, more defined, sleek finish. As you can see, these are the brows, and now I'm all done. I'm ready for my day. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.